Hello kids, my name is Jatin. Again I came back for making a drawing with your lines and shapes. Today I am going to draw a dog. How to make a dog with lines and shapes. Firstly take your pencil. It should not be sharp, pointed, and your good eraser. It should be blunt. Do not make sharp. Okay. Now your pencil is there. Now we're going to start. One standing line. One standing line. One curve touching towards both the side. Again one curve, same to same, opposite side, make a dot. Again make a curve. This is the head of the dog and this is a jaws. One more curve touching towards inside. Again one more curve touching towards inside. And here one dot, two dot and three dot. One slanting line, one slanting line and one slipping line. It is a nose. Now one dot here, one dot here. Make it one curve. It is a jaws line where eyes can settle on it. Now again one standing line, again one standing line, again one standing line, again one standing line. That should be a gap in between nose. Okay. Now one standing line should be connected to the another second one. One should be connected with curve line to the second one. Now third to fourth by making curve inside. So this is two eyes. Now one small semicircle inside, one small semicircle inside and make it dark tone inside. Make it dark so you can get it your lens. Now one curve as a mouth, one more curve as a lips. Okay. Now half face is done. One slanting line going towards upside, one slanting line going towards opposite side, one slanting line which has been a short. Do not make as long as first we did. Now same thing, make a curve and join to the first line. Same thing here, make it short line slanting which is rising upside. One curve coming towards downside and joining to the second line. A face of a dog is ready. Now I am going to make it body. One curve, straight line coming towards downside. Same thing, one curve coming towards downside. One straight line on a center. One dot here, one dot here, make it curve line, join it this line, one more curve, one more curve, that is two front legs. Now I am going to make it back legs, again one curve which is going towards downside. Same thing here, I am not going towards up to this limit. I am stopping up to some limit. Now one curve which is same going like a opposite one. Now again one curve going outside. Now one slipping line, that is my leg. This is one more slipping line which is extending towards my paper. Again I am extending on the opposite side. This is my land portion and this is body part and this face part. Now a small curve line, again small curve line and one small curve joining towards that tail. Now this is my land portion, this is body part, this is face part. So a dog is going to sit in a garden. I am showing garden or a lane. Okay, and some food, dog foods, one slanting line, one slanting line, one slipping line, one slipping line and few curves inside a bowl. That is a food of a dog. That's our dog is ready. If you want to make it some funny dog, it's a funny dog, it's a cartoon based dog. If you want to make it some specified dog like a Dalmatian dog, then you can make up black spots like this, make it dark everywhere, make it dark so you can find it a Dalmatian dog. Even also you can make it in your book, sketchbook for your project work also. All the circles, dark circles. You can see a Dalmatian puppy dog. It seems like a same like this, but I made it funny. So my dog is ready now. Few spots on a tail. Done. Some more spots on a faces. And my black nose. That's done. My dog is ready.